welcome back to my channel. So today is the day that I've been dreaming of for months. I am so excited to be sharing with you products that I've hit pan on, and honestly I didn't have time to film it, that I just started to use up products. So I have way less than what I thought I was gonna have. I think I have like almost 10 or so. But definitely if you want to watch some more panage, I will link my last video that I did last year of products that I've hit pan on below, because there's a ton in that video. Some of those products I still have, and they're still trucking along. I just haven't finished them yet. So I'm just really excited. So let's get started. So the first thing that's really exciting, and I actually went to rewatch that last video that I did to make sure I wasn't repeating anything that I already mentioned in there, unless it was like a significant difference in pan or whatever, but none of that's the case. So my Anastasia Monin Renaissance palette, I love this palette. This is such a great palette that if they were to discontinue it, I would definitely buy a backup of it. Even though I'm sure, like, obviously other palettes have similar colors, but there's just something about her formula that I absolutely love. I will report though that I did purchase the Riviera palette, and I used it a couple times. The mattes are astounding. They are so amazing, blown away, blend so well, enjoy them. But when it came to her metallic shimmery shades, I was not impressed. And usually her shimmer shades, like in here and her other palettes that I have, just glitter all day, every day. Hers, just those ones in that Riviera palette just went dull. They didn't really sparkle, and I'm like, I don't have time for this. So I'm returning that palette. But the mattes in there are great. I just can't justify that palette, because if I'm just feeling meh about it, I can't keep it. Anyway, this palette I have used so much, and I have baby pan down here. Oh my gosh, how do you say this? Tempera. Oh, I love that shade. Like, that is such a great shade. I want that in like a jumbo pan because I love it so much. We have Vermeer. I love hit pan on that one. And then we have Bon Fresco. Love that one. And then down here is Primavera, I guess. I don't know. Very baby pan. You can see right in the center there. So I love this palette. I've hit pan on this a while ago. Primavera is pretty new in the pan. Obviously because it's very small. I haven't used this in a while, but I love this. Whenever I'm feeling like I gotta spice it up and I want to be creative, this is the palette that I go to. I love this palette. It's just so wonderful. If you haven't purchased it, purchase it, because it's a great one. It really is. I know a lot of other brands have basically repeated the shade selection, but it's a good one. It really is. Next eyeshadow palette is my Naked Basics. I sold my Naked Basics 2, which I don't know if I regret it or not, but I hit pan on Naked 2. I love that shade. I do love this though, and honestly, the Naked 2 Basics I never used. I never used it. This I am more likely to use, especially if I just want something quick out the door, or I need this to be a companion palette to maybe go with the Riviera, like palettes like that. This is a great one to have. So I still recommend this. It's a great one. I've had it for a bazillion years. The Walk of Shame here as a huge dip. But yeah, I love it. It's a great palette. The next thing that I'm actually trying to use up at this point, just to kind of get it out, it's the Lancome Dual Finish Highlighter in #1 Shimmering Buff. This is amazing. I've had this now for a year. Got this back in February of 2018 and gratis when I worked for Lancome, and I hit pan on it within a month. That's how much I was using it. And this is how big it looks now. So I've been kind of working on the bigger area here to kind of get that thinner. But yeah, do I have it on now? I thought I put it on. You can't really see it though. I did my makeup like really early in the morning and then didn't film till later. So I might have just, I don't know. But I love this highlighter. It's just so nice, and I love a lot of highlight. That's just me. So these highlighters are bomb. You do pay quite a bit for them. They're $40, and you only get 5.2 grams. That's what it says. Yeah, 5.2 grams. So for 40 bucks, or you can get another brand that you can get like 8-9 grams for $40. So you are paying a little bit more money because you're not getting a lot of product in here. But I don't think that's the reason why I used it so fast, because it's still a pretty wide pan, and I don't know, I just used it a lot last year. So I'm just trying to use it up, trying to just move on to start using other things. But yeah, love this, love the formula, hands down. Rebuy that baby. I already have a backup of that, to be honest. The Tarte Angelic, this was like a mini that came in a 4-pack years and years and years ago when I didn't know that holiday collections weren't that hot. But this is some panage that I did. I like this highlighter. It's a really pretty highlighter. I wish it would sell this separately. It's great. It's so good. Obviously I liked it because I hit pan on it. But yeah, I no longer buy any like holiday sets ever. Like, yeah, no. But anyway, so love that. I need to just finish that up. Maybe I'll finish up the shimmering buff and then finish this. And there's quite a bit in here. There's 3 grams in here. I mean, 3 grams versus 5 grams. So not that big of a difference for the price. Next is my IT Cosmetics bronzer. I mentioned this in my last project hit pan, not project, but products I've hit pan on video, how much I love this, and so much so that it broke, and that's how much pan I have now. So it's a pretty good panage there. Woo! I was so excited to hit pan on this because I could see, the waffle part for so long, and I'm like, when am I gonna hit pan? Because I feel like once you see that, you're like, oh, I'm gonna hit pan soon. Girl, it did not happen, okay? It took forever. This would definitely be a bronzer. I would totally think about repurchasing it again because I love the way that it gives a nice radiance to the skin. It doesn't look shimmery, but it just looks glowy, but not like over glowy. It's like the perfect mix, especially for a bronzer. And I love it, but it's broken, and I kind of just like hopefully want to use it up. So I'm gonna try to use this up this year. I'm just using some other things, but I don't know. I like it, but I just want to use it up. Another thing that I am almost done, and it makes me sad, is The Balm Take the Home The Bronze Anti-Orange Bronzer. Mine is in Oliver. I got this last year at IMATS, so we're coming up on a year. I cannot believe it, and I'm going to be going to IMATS again. I'm so excited, and I'm probably going to get it back up. Although I need to see if The Balm is going this year. I didn't see them on the list when I looked a couple months ago. But this is how much I have left. I love this bronzer. I've used this literally all winter long. I cannot believe it. I didn't use it all year long because there was a while after IMAX that I wasn't using this because I was using, I think, probably the IT one. But basically once like winter came, fall came, this is what I was using. And it's like completely destroyed. And it's kind of hard when it's like in, the only thing I don't like, is that you're doing a circular motion in a rectangle, and it's like, so, whatever. But I've used so much of this. It's insane. It's insane. Everyone knows how hard it is to, hit pan on a bronzer, hit pan on a highlighter. I mean, it just proves how much I wear makeup. So love it. And when you love something, you gravitate towards it. So love that. Next thing that I am trying to use up, and I cannot believe that it's almost done. It is, and I showed this in my last video as well, it's a product that I like. It's the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder in Ethereal Light. I'm definitely going to be getting a backup at IMATS, if not 2 backups of this, because I believe at IMATS last year they were 30% off. This year, I'm definitely going to get it because I love this. I don't know if I'll get 2 backups, but definitely 1. This is such a great product. I've had this for so long, and what I do is I just take my favorite IT brush, this here. I just swirl it and I just put it under the eye to help brighten, a little bit on the chin. I'll even use it on the sides because sometimes your bronzer will go a little low or something, and I'll do just right in the center. And I just love it. It's so nice. It's great. It's a great powder and I absolutely love it. So I'm kind of sad, but it's the perfect timing for me to be finishing this up because just in a couple weeks I'll be going to IMATS. So yes. What is it, like a week and a half now? when you see this, it'll probably be getting closer, but, or if not, I don't know. But anyways, I'm just so excited. So anyways, those are the products that I've hit pan on. I don't think I've hit pan on anything else. I have finished up quite a bit of products. I'll give you like a sneak peek in there. But yeah, I'll be doing an empties video soon. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I don't think there's anything else because again, I've been wanting to do this since January, and instead of me showing you a hit pan, I'm going to show you used up. So whatever, it's still a win-win, right? So anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Please let me know below, what products, you've hit pan on, what products you're finishing up. None of these really I'm like, oh my god, I gotta hit pan on. It just honestly happened that way because of the products that I use and I love. But once you get like kind of big pan like this, and then I'm just to the point where, hey, you know what, let me just use it up so I can go use up something else that I have or love something else, whatever, because I'm always buying makeup. So that's just how I am. When pans get that big, I'm like, let's just finish it up, girl, and let's move on. All right, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and definitely click that little bell thing so definitely let you know when I upload videos. I will be uploading at least every single Wednesday, so just once a week, but maybe if there is going to be a bonus video, it will be on a Saturday. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye, guys!